So while we're talking about the larynx, we should also talk about the sound and how characteristics of vocal cords and different conditions affect the sound that we can produce. So let's start with loudness. Loudness depends on the force of air passing through the larynx. The stronger the air is pushed through, the louder the sound you're making. Try yelling by holding air behind. You can't really do that, right? Or you can try whispering and using a lot of air. Well, you can't do that. When you whisper, you feel yourself holding that air behind. So that's loudness. Now let's look at range. Range is the collection of pitches or tones that you're able to produce. Everyone has a limit for highest and lowest pitch they can produce, and this does change with our age because our vocal cords grow and change as well. So this limit depends on the length and thickness of our vocal cords. So range is affected by the length and thickness of our vocal cords. The longer and thicker the cords are, the lower the range will be, okay? Testosterone is one of the things that actually affects the thickness of vocal cords. And so in males, we can see this effect of testosterone and thickening of their vocal cords when males go to puberty and their voice changes. This is due to the testosterone being produced by their body. Okay, so that was the range. And then the last thing that we need to talk about is pitch. And pitch is an individual tone. It's a frequency. And pitch is determined by the tension on the vocal cords. So the higher the tension is, the higher the pitch would be, and vice versa, okay? So I have a violin here, and I wanted to show you what the strings on the violin look like. And when I have the violin in front of the camera, I can't see the camera. So I'm going to try to peek over this a little bit, okay? So this string right here, that's our thickest string, and it's going to be our lowest range, okay? And then they get thinner as you go this way, so. Okay, so you can hear that the pitch is getting higher as you go to this thinnest string right here. And so that's the effect of the thickness. The tension is different. So I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear this. Okay, but this is how you tune a violin, is with these knobs here, and they just change the tension on the string. Guitars work the same way. Violas, okay, whatever, string instruments that have strings work this way. Okay, so here's our pitch, right? So I increase the tension, the pitch goes up, and I decrease it and it goes down. Okay, so you can definitely tell that the pitch changes with the changing in tension, and that's the sound.